Friends, you always ask me about entry-level remote jobs that are always available, regardless of your category, and for which companies continuously hire globally, without worrying whether you are in India, the USA, or even watching my video from space. If you have an internet connection, you can do these jobs and earn. Today, I'm not just going to tell you about 1 or 2 jobs, but a total of 5 jobs where companies are always looking for new people. You can work anytime and start earning. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because maybe the first or second job isn't for you, but the third, fourth or fifth one might be the perfect choice. So let's start watching this exciting video together. Hello friends, I am your brother Naveen and you are watching the Career Circuit channel. The first company on today's list is WeWorkRemotely. This is a job board where big companies like Amazon and Google also post their remote job listings. Here you can find all types of remote jobs, from entry level to high level. You can see it is clearly mentioned. Remote full stack programming jobs. One of our most popular job categories and in-demand skills in the job market right now. Find new and exciting remote full stack programming and engineering job opportunities below. As soon as you scroll down, you'll see an entire gallery of jobs. And to make sure you don't get lost in the countless listings, there is a filter option at the top where you can refine the search according to your category and interests. The second company on the list is GoTranscript. From the name itself, you might have guessed what it's about. If you have good listening skills, this could be the best opportunity for you. Here, transcribers get to work in more than 50 languages. You'll receive some audio or video content that needs to be transcribed. On average, people earn $150 per month here, while top earners make up to $1,215. You can see that it is clearly mentioned. Enjoy flexible remote work and competitive pay by joining our team of language experts. We're hiring in 40 plus languages to deliver high quality human-made transcriptions and translations worldwide. Earn up to $1.75 per minute. The third company is Clickworker. This is a microtasking platform where you can earn money by completing small tasks for AI and machine learning models. Here you'll find jobs related to content creation, data entry, surveys, video recording, and many more simple tasks. Since these tasks are easy and small, the earnings are slightly lower compared to other companies. Now let's move to the fourth company, which is PeoplePerHour. If you want to start freelancing, this is an excellent platform similar to Fiverr. Here you can list your skills, whether it's content writing, SEO, website development, or voiceover work. The fifth company is Automatic. This company manages platforms like WooCommerce, WordPress, and Tumblr. If you are interested in technology and have even a basic understanding of WordPress, you can find great remote job opportunities here. And yes, these jobs are entirely virtual, meaning you can apply from anywhere in the world. So friends, that's all for today. I have provided the official links for all these jobs in the description, so go ahead and apply now. If you have any questions or want to talk to me, you can message me on the Career Circuit Telegram group. Also, let me know in the comments which project you are working on so that it can help others too. If you like this video, make sure to like it and share it with your friends who are looking for remote jobs. And don't forget to subscribe, as I will continue bringing more useful content for you in the future.